When adding new system users to Augmentt, you can customize the account to log in via single sign-on through Microsoft. To do this, navigate to System Users and Create New User. When creating the user, click on the Login Options selection. You can allow users to log in with an Augmentt username and password, single sign-on only, or both. Once the user has been created and SSO has been selected, the user should be able to click on the Sign In with Microsoft button at the login screen and then put in their Microsoft credentials to log into Augmentt. You can also edit existing system users in Augmentt to allow them to log in via single sign-on as well. Just click on the three dots to the far right of the user account and then edit their details.
That's my minute. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.